Modul Assembl, the three-dimensional connection. In a one-point connection, mechanical stress concentrates at a single point. A linear connection is more efficient because it spreads stress along a segment. Even better, the surface bond distributes stress over an entire surface. The Modul Assembl process enables gradual and deep interpenetration, resulting in a three-dimensional bond. This way, mechanical force is exerted on the entire volume. This three-dimensional connection is especially suitable for applications with high mechanical stress, cutting tools, bone prosthesis connections, and more. The Modul Assembl process allows bonding different types of materials that cannot be welded or glued, as seen in the case of metal and elastomer. Modul Assembl, the three-dimensional connection.